After the controversy generated by the collision with Daniel Ricciardo at the Chinese Formula One Grand Prix, Lance Stroll of Aston Martin decided to explain his perspective on the incident and the subsequent penalty. Stroll expressed frustration with the commissioner's decision, describing it as a joke due to the sudden clustering of the platoon, which made it difficult for the pilots to react. The crash took place during the restart on lap 27, when Stroll hit Ricciardo's rear, lifting the Australian's car into the air and compromising his race. The situation also affected McLaren's Oscar Piastri, whose car was touched after the collision between Stroll and Ricciardo. Although the stewards blamed Stroll entirely, the Canadian driver argued that the incident was triggered by Stroll's teammate Fernando Alonso's braking of the front tires at turn 14. He emphasized that the sudden cluster made it difficult to avoid collision. Stroll's reaction to the penalty, calling her a joke on the team's radio, reflects his frustration with the situation. He stressed that despite the outcome of the incident, his race was progressing promising, with Aston Martin showing signs of improvement over previous races. Despite the setback in China, Stroll remains optimistic about the team's performance, highlighting the continued need for upgrades and improvements to compete more consistently with leading Formula One teams. And you, what did you think of Stroll's explanation of the incident? Do you agree with his assessment of the situation? Share your opinion in the comments and follow our channel for more reviews and updates from the Formula One world.